Good morning, everybody. Joey with J&G here. Another segment on smoke detectors. Today we're going to talk about the 10-year sealed smoke detector that we've been trying to get a point across that it does not have any batteries inside of it. This is the smoke detector. It has a sealed 10-year lifespan lithium battery inside. Again, we mentioned to verify that you have a hardwired smoke detector system. This little dot right there will be glowing red or green, depending on the manufacturer of your smoke detector. You will also see on new smoke detectors a replace date when the smoke detector needs to be replaced. You will also see an installation date. So if you're at your house and you're looking at your smoke detectors, maybe you just bought your house or you're fairly new to your home, take a look and see if you have any of these stickers on your smoke detectors. That will help you to have an idea of how long that smoke detector's been there, because if you have a new style smoke detector, it doesn't have to be 10 years sealed to be compliant. It's just if your smoke detector system is older than 10 years old, when you replace it, it needs to be a 10-year sealed system. So that's very important for you to know. Also, again, to verify about hardwired smoke detectors, you would look again here in your home for a light. If you see a light, chances are it is hardwired. If you go to the smoke detector, and you generally can turn a smoke detector counterclockwise to the left, and it'll come down out of the ceiling. It'll come out like this, and you're going to see some wires that are hanging out of the smoke detector. This also tells you that you do have a hardwired smoke detector. Now, this red wire is very important, so if you have an interconnected smoke detector system. So if this red wire comes out and it's not connected to anything, it is just a smoke detector for that level of your home only. It does not go anywhere else. So interconnection is very important. On the next segment, what we're going to talk about why the interconnection is so important, and if for some reason you don't have an interconnected system when your home was wired, there's a solution. It's called RF, radio frequency smoke detectors, and we will talk about that tomorrow. With that, J&G out, and have a great day.